Okay, be honest. In 2026, everyone is suddenly saying two words: AI agents. Your coworkers say it. LinkedIn won't shut up about it. And most people nodding along have absolutely no idea what it means. By the end of this video, you will, in plain English, and you'll be the one explaining it at the next meeting. Let's start with what you already know. A normal AI, like a chatbot, talks. You ask it something, it answers, and then it just sits there, politely waiting. It's brilliant, but it's all mouth and no hands. It can write you a beautiful email, but it can't actually send it. An AI agent is different. An agent doesn't just talk, it takes action. Think of the difference this way. A chatbot is like a really smart advisor who tells you exactly what to do. An agent is the assistant who actually goes and does it. One gives directions, the other drives the car. So how does an agent actually work? You give it a goal, not step-by-step instructions, just the goal. The agent then breaks that goal into steps on its own, uses tools to get each step done, checks whether it worked, and adjusts if it didn't. Plan, act, check, repeat until the job is finished. That loop is the whole magic trick. Here's a concrete example. You tell a plain chatbot, book me a dentist appointment, and it says, sure, here's how you could do that. Thanks. Super helpful. An agent, on the other hand, actually checks your calendar, finds a free slot, opens the booking site, fills in your details and confirms it, then tells you it's done. Same request, wildly different result. Now let's clear up the confusion, because the hype is out of control. An AI agent is not a conscious robot, and it's not some all-powerful being that runs your life. It's software that can plan and use tools to reach a goal. It also can't do any of this in a vacuum. It needs to connect to your apps and data to take real actions, which, spoiler, is exactly what MCP is for. But that's the next video. So why is 2026 the year everyone lost their minds over agents? Because this is the shift from AI that talks to AI that does. For years, AI could only give you words. Now it can take actions on your behalf. And that changes everything about how we'll actually use it. Chatbots were the warm-up. Agents are the main event. So that's an AI agent. Software you give a goal to, that plans, uses tools, and gets it done, instead of just talking about it. Not magic, not a robot uprising, just a genuinely powerful upgrade. Next episode, we crack open MCP, the thing that lets these agents actually plug into your tools. You're climbing from A to AI, and this was a big rung. Subscribe, and I'll see you at the next one.